We also do skirting board. We do two. We do a nice Taurus decorative skirting and a plain flat white. This is the Taurus skirting that we do. Again, it's got a protective film on which can come off afterwards at the very end. Measure the length of the wall and then mark. Maybe use a straight edge to get a nice line and then cut. For a neater finish, it's recommended to use the mitre block to do an internal corner or an external corner. So now the skirting is cut to length. Some adhesive on the back with the DBS clad grip, a little less shape like that. Try not to get none near the very top so it doesn't squirt out when you fix it to the wall. Okay, generous amount of adhesive, cut to length, and then just push on firmly like that with the protective film. So this is one completed wall with the panels, the internal corners, the coving and the skirting board to finish.